Your car's battery powers everything, from the engine to the lights, and keeping it safe is critical.
The car battery stores electrical energy and supplies it when the engine is off or during high-demand moments. It connects to the starter, alternator, lights, infotainment, and electronic control units, making it vital for smooth operation.
Chemical reactions inside the battery generate electricity, which flows through the car's systems.
A failing battery may show low voltage, causing dim lights and poor accessory performance.
Corroded terminals reduce conductivity and can prevent proper charging or starting.
Short circuits or exposed wires can be dangerous. Always handle the battery carefully.
Battery acid is corrosive. Leaks can damage your car and pose serious safety risks.
Regular inspection, cleaning terminals, and proper handling keep your battery safe and your car reliable.